Slow and steady wins the race. This is the moral of the story. Story Karen taught us. How many of you have listened to this story? You. Many. So I don't need to go into that story. Toastmaster of the day, fellow Toastmasters, and no guest. This was the moral of the story, but that story was of old days. We are living in 21st century. In 21st century, everything is changing. Everything is changing every day, every time, even every point of time the world is changing. So this story has also changed. The story which I am going to tell you is some extended version of the same story, but you will find something different. But I am not going to afraid you of anything, of any rocket firing or some use of chemical weapons. No, this is not. And here we go how this story is going. After losing that race by the hare, he was thinking, he was evaluating by himself what went wrong, what was his fault. So as we do here the evaluation, he also did his evaluation. He somehow convinced the 1:1. We are equal. So I must do something to win the race. And he said, if I will use the same thing, then I will never beat the hare. So this time he changed the formatting, he changed the route slightly, and he convinced near a river bank. Then he was in a fix what to do. He was pondering. Now there is a river because he can't swim. So by the time when he was thinking, the tortoise he went into the river, swam, crossed the river, finished the line, and again he was a winner. The moral of the story is find out your core competency. Identify your core competency, then change the playing field that suit your core competency. So by this way, the tortoise was successful. That was not acceptable to him. But within 3 episodes, they both got the acquaintance and they both got pretty good friends. Now, this was the time how to resolve this matter. So, both were thinking, and there came an idea that we must give a final race. But this race would be not individual race, it would be a team. They both agreed. What happened? The hare took the tortoise on his back, ran past, reached the river. There, the tortoise took over the charge and he put the hare on his back, swam, crossed the river, went on that side, and both completed the race simultaneously. By reaching there, they both were quite satisfied. They were having a great sense of satisfaction because they were both in a team. The morale is pooling resources, and team working will always give you the desired results. Fellow Toastmasters, this is the extended version of that old story in the current, your corporate, your personal, your social environment. You just apply this formula and you will find always the result a win-win situation. Back to Toastmaster of the day. Okay.
What about the